Hi, my name is Stuart Ruddy, and if you were watching this video, then your student is in one of my English 4 honors courses. The purpose of this video is that we are going to go through some facets of this course so that you as parents can see what resources are available to you and whatever your students are doing in class. Now, first, a little bit about myself. My name is Stuart Ruddy. I graduated from Clemson University. I have a degree in English and a degree in secondary education. I'm actually a Fort Mill High School graduate, walked these very halls, and this is my second year at Fort Mill High School. I love teaching in this school. I love teaching English, and I'm really excited for the school year. English 4 Honors itself is a survey of British literature. We're going to be deep diving into a bunch of different eras of British literature. We're starting out with short stories right now. We actually take our test for that next week, and then we jump straight into our Anglo-Saxon unit. Anglo-Saxon unit starts with Beowulf, then we move into William Shakespeare's Macbeth, and then we jump to our novel studies, which is Jane Austen's Pride and Prejudice and George Orwell's 1984. These large texts will be supplemented with poems, informational texts, and also other short stories as we continue throughout this semester. The semester at a glance, you'll look at midterm 1 through midterm 3 here, and it walks you through all of the different major assessments that your students will have. You can look at this. It's posted on my website as well. It's also going to be sent to you in this presentation on the email. So you'll be able to see the different assessments or the plan for assessments that we have right now at the start of the school year. Policies and expectations, just very briefly, you've already seen these in the email and the syllabus that I already sent you. First thing is there's no late homework in this course. Most of the homework that I assign is meaningful. Actually, all of the homework I assign is meaningful for these students for that class period specifically. So they need to come with their homework complete. And if they don't, it's a 0. Late penalty for due date assignments. If an assignment does have a due date, if it's one of those at-home assignments or a project they're working on, it does have a due date, there is a late penalty attached to that if they turn it in late. It'll be 10 points off every day for up to 5 days. On that 5th day, when you pass the 50, it turns into a 0. And then you can no longer turn that assignment in for credit. Extra help, it's a weird year. If your student needs extra help, I've pushed them to just come ask me, talk to me. We'll come up with a plan for how we're going to get that extra help or how we're going to meet in school, whether it's before or after school, just so we can figure out the best way to approach that for every single kid this year. And that last part is participation and thinking. This course is an English course. Participation is huge. I push your students every single day to talk and discuss in class. So they need to come to class prepared. That's why there is that no late homework policy, so that they come ready to discuss and ready to engage in class that day. The last thing is on this presentation are 3 hyperlinks. You can click on any of these white squares and they will take you to these things. The syllabus being that first one, you've already been sent it, your kids brought it home. But if you want to look through it for a little bit more detail on our course, you can click on that syllabus. The middle one is the email. If you have any questions, you can click on that little white box and it will generate an email sent to me. And you can type whatever you want and just click send, super easy. And then the last one is the website. This website is where I keep all of the resources for you as parents. If you click on that hyperlink, it will take you to my website. You just click English 4 Honors right up here at the top. And you can look at the calendar. You pick whatever day your student comes to school. And on that calendar, we have every assignment they've been assigned at home so far. You can click on it and you can hold them accountable for that assignment when they're working at home, or you can ask them or see where they're at in the semester. If you have any questions, please let me know. Send me an email. I will get back to you as soon as possible with as much detail as you need to answer that question. I'm more than willing to answer anything you might have, or any questions you might have about this course or about what your students are going to learn this semester or what they're learning right now. So please just send me an email. Thanks for watching the video.